Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today I'm imagining what a Volvo motorhome could be like if Volvo made one for 2026, combining what we know of Volvo's recent designs, technology, and what buyers are looking for in luxury motorhomes. Let's take a journey through the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. On the outside, you would expect Volvo's signature Scandinavian design. Clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a strong emphasis on aerodynamics. The front could feature their latest LED matrix headlights, sharp, crisp, efficient, and probably a bold yet simple grille design, possibly partially closed off if the powertrain is hybrid or electric for better airflow. Body panels would be smooth, with hidden seams where possible to reduce drag. Large panoramic windows are likely, letting in light and giving passengers great views. The exterior would also probably include solar roof panels, retractable awnings, possibly even slide-out sections for extra living space. Volvo might opt for eco-friendly paint options, durable finishes to withstand road wear, and reflective or light-colored panels to keep heat down in sunny conditions. Stepping inside, you'd find Volvo's quality materials, premium fabrics, eco-leather or vegan alternatives, lots of natural wood or wood-look trims, soft ambient lighting. The furniture layout could be modular. Convertible sofas, fold-out beds, dining tables that retract, possibly bunk beds or loft sleeping areas depending on size. The cockpit would likely be high-tech. Digital driver displays, driver assistance systems, navigation integrated with Volvo's safety suite. The living space would be designed for comfort. A well-equipped kitchenette, stove, fridge sink, smart storage solutions, plenty of USB or wireless charging points, climate control, and good insulation. The bathroom could include a shower, composting or high-efficiency waste systems, and modern fixtures. Volvo would likely emphasize clean Scandinavian minimalism in the interior design. Light tones, uncluttered surfaces, functional but beautiful. On performance, Volvo's recent trends suggest a mix of powertrain options. Volvo might offer a diesel hybrid or a fully electric motorhome. If electric, it could get respectable range, depending on battery size. Plus regenerative braking, energy recovery, solar augmentation, etc. With hybrid, you get more flexibility for longer trips. The chassis and suspension would be tuned for comfort, air suspension perhaps, or adaptive dampers to smooth out rough roads. The driveline might include all-wheel drive capability for tougher terrain. Safety features are guaranteed: collision avoidance, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, advanced driver assistance. Noise insulation would be high, so your ride feels serene. On pricing, Volvo would position this motorhome at the premium end, given their brand and expected features. If built on a large or custom chassis with high-end interiors, performance features, possibly electric components, you might be looking at quite a high sticker. To give a ballpark based on what used Volvo motorhomes are going for, recent listings for Volvo motorhomes, used, diesel, Euro 6, various accommodation and yard of sleeping places, show prices ranging from $50,000 up to over $140,000, depending on condition, layout, and power. For a brand new Volvo motorhome with premium features and possibly electric or hybrid drive, the price could be well above that depending on markets, import duties, and available powertrain technology. Overall, a Volvo motorhome in 2026 would likely be an impressive blend of style, comfort, and performance. It would appeal to travelers who want more than basic camping, those who want elegance, technology, and sustainability in one package. If Volvo did make one, it could raise the bar for what motorhomes are capable of. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most futuristic luxury vehicles ever made, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more detailed reviews of the most exciting cars and motorhomes of the future.